What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm Preston from Beyond the Horizon, and today I am headed down to Table Rock Lake. Going down there with my family. I'm going to do some camping. We're staying at a new campground this time, so that'll be fun to check out. A new campground. It's called Ants Creek. It's Corps of Engineering campground right down on the lake, so it should be super pretty. But we don't really have any solid plans for the weekend. Just kind of hanging out. Probably do some fishing, some kayaking, and then I think in the morning I am gonna go hit a trail that is kind of close-ish, close enough, I guess. I don't think anybody else is going with me for that. I think it'll just be me. But I wanted to hit at least one trail this weekend, so that is what I'm going to do. That's a big one.
I don't know how to get it off.
Pull it up.
I can't even grip it, Preston. No, I don't. My hands are too small. You got a picture of that then?
Yeah. You want a picture after you get it off?
No, because I need to get it back in. Ow! Hook was on my finger. Can I just throw it?
No. It's right down.
That thing is huge. This way I'll eat breakfast.
catch anything yet, Ains? Nope.
He's gonna come up. Hold that. Press and grab him.